Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest tech to help you choose smarter. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras of 2025, comparing performance, video quality, stabilization, and features to find the ultimate cameras for adventure lovers and creators alike. If you enjoy honest reviews and up-to-date tech content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support us. And as always, you can check all the product links in the description box below to get more details and the best deals. Starting our list with the Insta360 X4 Air, this camera proves that powerful tech doesn't need to be bulky. Weighing just 165 grams, lighter than most smartphones, it packs Emmy Award-winning 360-degree technology capable of recording stunning 8K 30 frames per second. 360 video with active HDR. You also get immersive 4K 60 frames per second, POV footage with an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view, making it perfect for action sports and travel content. The invisible selfie stick effect delivers jaw-dropping third-person and drone-style shots, while replaceable lenses mean you can swap damaged glass on the go without stress. Add secure magnetic mounting, universal 1/4-inch thread compatibility, and stylish color options, and the X4 Air becomes one of the most versatile action cameras of the year. The GoPro MAX2 is a hybrid powerhouse that combines a traditional action camera with advanced 360-degree shooting, delivering true 8K spherical video and ultra-detailed 29-megapixel 360 photos. With no need to aim, you simply press record and capture everything around you. Then reframe your footage into crisp 4K videos using the GoPro Quick app. Invisible mounting removes poles from your shots automatically, creating cinematic selfie angles and drone-like perspectives without extra gear. Hypersmooth stabilization and horizon lock ensure buttery-smooth footage even in intense motion, while 6 microphones provide immersive 360-degree audio. Its replaceable, water-repelling glass lenses add durability for extreme environments, making the MAX2 an ideal choice for creators who want maximum flexibility and immersive storytelling in one camera. At number 3, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 pushes creativity beyond traditional action filming. Powered by an 8K sensor paired with a premium Leica lens, it delivers ultra-sharp visuals with impressive dynamic range and exceptional low-light performance thanks to advanced AI chips and pure video technology. The new Explorer Grip Pro adds a built-in battery and physical controls for longer shooting sessions, while built-in Leica and film-style filters allow creators to achieve cinematic looks straight out of the camera. Optical lenses support everything from cinematic wide shots to detailed macro scenes, and the flip touchscreen with hood makes framing effortless in any lighting condition. For creators who value image quality and creative freedom, the Ace Pro 2 is a standout performer. The DJI Osmo Action 6 sets a new standard for reliability and image quality with its all-new 1/1.1-inch square sensor and variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture, allowing superior control over lighting in fast-changing environments. Designed for action, it offers cold resistance, up to 4 hours of battery life, and waterproofing down to 20 meters without a case. Built-in 50GB storage ensures you never miss a moment, while Osmo Audio direct microphone connectivity delivers clean, professional-grade sound without adapters. With its robust build, smooth workflow, and excellent low-light performance, the Action 6 is perfect for creators who demand consistency, durability, and pro-level results. Taking the top spot is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the most advanced and versatile action camera of 2025. It records best-in-class 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, delivering dramatically higher resolution than 4K, and stunning clarity in every shot. What truly sets it apart is compatibility with the HB series lenses, including ultra-wide, macro, ND filters, and anamorphic mods, all auto-detected by the camera for instant optimization. Burst slow-mo allows action to be slowed down up to 13 times for breathtaking detail, while 5.3K footage lets you extract high-quality photos up to 24.7 megapixels. Waterproof, rugged, and endlessly adaptable, The Hero 13 Black is the ultimate choice for professionals and enthusiasts who want absolute control and cinematic results in any environment.